Every day is a new adventure. Okay, every day is a new adventure. Start with a fresh beginning. Okay, now we can go to the class. See here, I have written the masculine words. In English and Tamil, in every language, we can differentiate the masculine word and feminine word. Those are living things, non-living things. Okay, like that we can differentiate these things. But in Hindi, the non-living things has also the masculine term, feminine term. Okay, we know that only living things that having masculine and feminine. Okay, now in Hindi we are differentiating the non-living things as in the masculine gender. Let us see the which words are coming in the masculine gender. Now the first one is Akbar. Okay, it is a non-living things. Akbar newspaper. Okay, newspaper. It comes under in the masculine gender. Okay, Akbar newspaper. मैं हर रोज अखबार पढ़ रहा हूँ. Okay, daily I am reading the newspaper. Like that. Here, Aam means mango. Mango is a fruit, you know. Okay, Aam, mango. मुझे आम बहुत पसंद है. I like mangoes. Like then, kapda. Kapda is also comes under the masculine gender. Kapda. Okay, मुझे अच्छी कपड़ा, नया कपड़ा चाहिए. I want new clothes. Okay, कागज means paper. Okay, मैं कागज पर मेरी माँ को चिट्ठी लिखती हूँ. Okay, I am writing a letter to my mother in the paper. Then खाना. See here, खाना means meal. खाना, meal. Here, this also comes under this masculine. खाना. माँ को खाना, माँ दोपहर की खाना पकाई. My mother cooked the meal. Okay. Then Kila. Kila means fort. Okay, red fort, rock fort, like that. These also comes under this masculine. Then Khat. Khat means letter. मैं दफ्तर की खत लिखती हूँ. I am writing the letter to the office. Okay. खेत means field. किसान खेत में काम कर रहे हैं. किसान खेत में काम कर रहे हैं. The farmers are working in the field. Okay, field also comes under this masculine. Then kela. Kela is also a fruit, you know. Kela, banana. Okay, कच्चा केला सब्जी के लिए अच्छी है. Okay, कच्चा केला. Okay, कच्चा केला means plantain. Plantain is very good for preparing food. Then गाँव. Okay, गाँव means village. हमारी शहर की आसपास में छोटी छोटी गाँव है. Okay, there are small villages around our city. Like that, गाँव. Okay, then now we can go to the next one. Gar. Gar means house. This also comes under this masculine word. Gar, house. Okay, मेरा घर बहुत बड़ा है. मेरा घर बहुत बड़ा है. My house is big. Then jungle. Okay, jungle means forest. Okay, jungle means forest. Here don't cut the trees in the forest. Don't cut the trees in the forest. जंगल की पेड़ों को मत काटो. Okay. Then डाकघर. डाकघर is post office. डाकघर means post office. Here this also comes under this masculine. Next one is dam. Dam means cost. Okay. While we are going to the vegetable shop or other shops, we are asking the what is the cost of that vegetables. Okay, cost of the बैंगन. In Hindi में we can say it as बैंगन की दाम क्या है. Okay, what is the cost of the brinjal? What is the cost of the lady's finger means bindi ki daam kya hai? Then doodh means milk. Okay, this also comes under this masculine words, doodh. Okay, गाय का दूध तंदुरुस्त के लिए अच्छा है. गाय का दूध तंदुरुस्त के लिए अच्छा है means the milk of the cow is very good for health. Then naam means name. Okay, naam means name. This also comes under this masculine. Okay, what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? नाम here represent the masculine. Then pani. Okay, pani means water. मुझे गरम पानी चाहिए. I want a hot milk. Then paid. Okay, paid also comes under masculine. Paid means tree. Okay, paid means tree. आम का पेड़ बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, आम का पेड़ बहुत अच्छा है. The tree of mango is very good. Okay, then seb means apple. Okay, apple is also comes under this masculine. Daily eating apple throws away the doctor. Okay, while eating apple we get more vitamins, efficiency, immunity, etc. Okay, seb, apple. Then paisa is coin. Okay, coin also comes under this masculine gender. While I have already told you that the words which ends in the R sound represents the masculine words. There are some exceptions. See here, like one. The first one is akhbar, newspaper, mango, kapda, cloth, kahas, paper, kana, meal, kila, fort, kat, letter, khed, field. Okay, kela, banana. Here gaon means village. Then another set we can see here is gar means house, jungle, forest, daggar, post office, dam, cost, doodh, milk, naam, name. Okay, pani, water, paid, tree, seb, apple, paisa, coin. See here, we can say the words ending with R sound here, kana, kila, kela, here paisa. While reading these words we already know this is a masculine, but some exception we can see here, akhbar, kagaz, okay, khat, ket, gaon. Here gar, jungle, daggar, dam, doodh, naam, pani. While we are saying the words ending E sound is feminine, but there is a exception for some words. Okay, these are come under the masculine. See here, pani comes under the masculine word. Okay, pani comes under the masculine word. Like that we have to differentiate the words with masculine and feminine. Okay, can you understand?